Hello everybody at Joe's Gaming Electronics. This is Edgar, and today I'll be showing you how to replace your battery on your Beats Solo 4. Quite simple, quite easy, quite amazing, quite beautiful. I don't know why I said all that, but battery will be located on the left side of your headphones, the side with the charger port. And the tools you'll need for today is a Phillips 2.0 and most likely some tweezers. Simple as that, and a pry tool. Can't forget the pry tool. First, you will see you got a little edge here. You got your pry tool. You want to pry up, and here you'll hear 4 clicks as you go through. Boom, you'll hear 4 clicks. That is the 4 sides. Once you get it open here, grab pry tool again, go into this, and very carefully just up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. And that should pop up like this. That's where your battery is. Pry tool comes in handy. Want to get under your battery very carefully. You do not want to penetrate the battery. Just pull up. You got this little sticker here. Pull that off. Toss that out. You don't need that. Now you might need a heat gun here. You might need a heat gun or something to provide a little bit of heat, but most cases you're able to remove the glue on the battery connector with just a tweezer. That's how I usually get it out, but sometimes you need heat. If you don't want to mess up the connector, you might want to use heat, which if you're very careful like me, we almost got it. And you just want to keep pulling just like that. Got a little bit of the glue off right there, and just very carefully sort of pull this glue off with your tweezers. I would recommend some heat. So if you have a heat gun for some reason, or you got a blow dryer or a hair dryer, you could just apply a little bit of heat. Go for about 5 seconds, maybe 10. Remove it, try. If it's still not easy enough, go back another 5 seconds. Don't want to apply too much heat for a long period of time. Once that glue's off, pull your battery out, toss that old one out. Lasts only 20 minutes. You need a new battery. Boom, grab your new battery. Place that connector into here, like that. Tuck the wire down, and place your battery down like that. Boom, beautiful, amazing. Now, you wanna grab your inside panel. Make sure it's at the top touching. You wanna grab your outside panel, place that down, and one side of your inside panel, and place it in there. So it's, as you can see, it's very flush, no gaps. This side will have gaps. All you do is you just squeeze, and it clips in. Same here up here. Squeeze, 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 it clips in. And just like that, you replace your battery on your Beats Solo 4s. You're very welcome, and have a wonderful rest of your day. Goodbye.
Thanks for watching the video, guys. If you guys love what we do, please support us. You guys can click on the links that we have on the end screen. You guys can buy our parts, sales, or service so we can continue to make great videos for you guys for many more years. Thank you.